We are all looking for success. And what exactly it is? Security by the wealth, satisfaction by different types of the pleasure and the peace and the happiness. If I'm searching in the world outside, they change. Everything changes. The person, the situation, and the condition. So it means I'm peace with one thing today. I may not be in peace tomorrow with the same thing. It has changed. That is why success is within. The security, peace, and happiness are within. One word in Eastern wisdom, self-fulfillment versus desire fulfillment. Complete knowledge means I completely know who am I. Eastern wisdom says, I'm of the nature of peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. And what about the complete ignorance? Deep sleep, coma. So ignorance, complete ignorance is bliss, and complete knowledge is also bliss. But incomplete knowledge causes the suffering. What does it mean by complete ignorance? I do not know who am I. Normally we say, today I am happy, tomorrow I am stressed, there is a good morning and there is a bad morning. It doesn't work that way in daily life. We need to move into the complete knowledge to live in peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. Common sense? Yes. Common sense to live in peace and happiness. Where is common sense? I like you. That is why I'm happy to be with you. So what is the common sense? If I dislike you, then I'll be unhappy with you. So I remove the like and dislike, and I say, you also exist, I also exist. Let us live together. Let me express happiness and peace living with you beyond the likes and dislikes. Is it not a common sense? So from the common sense we move to the nonsense, and that's why we are suffering.